Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Okay, so we finished the work on the FTDX-5000. Let's go into the room.
The power budget wouldn't cost them anything because you're supplying the power.
So basically,
Oh yeah, unless you're going to be totally satisfied with 500 watts. Most of us really aren't.
right now we're using the PCC 5000 computer control software for the FTDX 5000. We have a DB9 cable coming from the 5000mp that's feeding into a USB to DB9 converter. Anyway, let me come around here and I'll
Somebody may come up with a liquid cooling retrofit kit. Yeah, maybe.
let's move the mics. The RE20.
Have you looked at those, ever seen those BK amps out of Australia? No, can't say I have. You ought to look them up one day when you're doing nothing. Victor, the BK, Bravo Kilo? Yeah. Alright, I can check it out, yeah. He's got a 2 kilowatt industrial one. And one of the guys that come in and talked to us one day on 20, he tested them out for him. And this guy...
So the 5000 is actually, what I did was I sat it on top of the TS990 because I just didn't have any real estate. And out of both radios, I think the 990 was several pounds lighter. So here is the 5000 that I just finished working on. Let me just see if I could. So basically, what I did to this radio, let me. I believe I have the dim off on it. Let me come in here and then turn on, make it brighter. I believe it's on dim.
Somebody's twigged.
Let's see.
Somebody slapped some butt salve on him.
Actually, that's the brighter setting. So here is the FTDX-5000mp.
Well, it just seemed like a
and the OLEDs,
you can buy kits from them too. Like,
I just replaced them just a few days ago. So they have brand new OLEDs in there installed. I replaced the Encoder board, which had these two controls, pots on them. And I replaced, I believe, this is variable resistor A, which are all these 5 controls on one board. It has the SM5000. I'm using the speakers. The display is shut off, and we have the DMU-2000 set up and playing. Right now it's in DMU-2000 mode. And the way that let me see if I can
Now the Mercury 3 has the Mercury.
This is a 24-inch display that I have.
1500 watts.
But let me move it to AF scope by pressing band 3. There you go.
Mercury 3 doesn't cover 160 meters.
Let's see if I can.
But the one, the
I got
Mercury 3
the light up there is reflecting off the top of it.
And the Lux is what
There
the
you go.
Mercury should have been.
The original Mercury amplifier did not have 160. The original Mercury.
Now, along with the radio and the SM5000 station monitor and the DMU2000, I also have all 3 MTUs. Let me go ahead and show you them.
Not sure.
Here they are.
The only rationale I can think of is they would
3020, 8040, and the 160. They're all wired up, as you can see in the back.
I don't know why.
And when you power up the
original amplifier, but it wasn't.
the FTDX-5000, the tones that the MT, the microtune units make is the same as the ones in the FTDX-9000. So it's basically the same. They're the exact same setup.
Now my buddy Cliff,
Let me show you the other side here.
he has the Mercury 3S. With about 17 watts of drive, he gets anywhere between 9 and 960 out.
There was a fellow on here a little while ago, Dan, WA1YYQ, I think that's his fault. He had a Mercury 3. He changed the input attenuator to 16 dB. His overdrive issue.
Now is that the 3S or the 3?
Well, I gotta ask him. He was on his way out of here when I caught him.
All right.
I'll inquire. I'll let you know.
I do know another friend of mine that speaks to us every morning on 40. He also has one, but his blew a transistor out of it, and I'm not sure why it did that. And he had to send it back to Mercury to get fixed. Now they fixed it free of charge. Some component in it went bad.
Yeah, well, if the LD MOS failed, that's a $200 component.
Yeah. I know he got it back and it's working fine now. I'll have to ask him exactly what happened. But just one day he was there and then he was gone. No transmit, no output, no nothing. Had to go
There's
back.
only one way to do that, and that's overdrive.
Wouldn't come out of it.
The only way to do that is to overdrive the thing, Jim.
Well, I think it has a maximum input of like 50 watts. I think that's what I read on it. And these guys are
50 watts, they're doing about, hopefully you tell me with a 10 dB pad, so that knocks that down to 5. That's still a hell of a lot of power. You get a little faggot double there.
I find it interesting when you listen to guys, though. It's like, well, I'm putting 12 watts into mine, I'm getting 1,110 watts out. Next guy says, well, I'm putting 18 watts into mine and I'm only getting 960. Why is that?
Yeah, well, we got our share of rocket scientists. That's what happens when you can buy a license.
just shake my head and spin the VFO. And look for more intelligent life.
So you should have perplexed them and asked them to calculate the gain in dB. That would be cruel.
I didn't have the heart to beat him up.
And force them to learn what logarithms are.
Well, you know, Mike, I found since Patricia passed away, I'm getting a little softer.
Really? I usually the opposite happens.
You know what? I don't want to fight. I don't want to correct people.
You have to, otherwise they go through life thinking that that's the fact.
I pretty much just want to leave people alone, and I really want them to leave me alone.
You gotta head for the woods, brother.
I'm already in the woods, brother. And that's probably a goddamn good thing.
Oh, absolutely. Sorry to hear that, Jim.
Hear what?
The Pat died.
Back in December, bud.
Sorry.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Actually, our anniversary is coming up here on the Valentine's Day. Would have been 35 years.
Piece of shit. What an asshole.
Not paying no mind.
Come over here, say that little boy, you'd be spitting your teeth out. I may give you a bonus Admiral the Weemus stick. They just happen to have an extra one right here.
This is N2LEN. We're saying best of 7 threes.
Well,
We have a new class of ham, Jim. Low.
it is what it is. And it was said in order to provoke a response. And